It's very easy to replace that piece of meat with a piece of vegetarian protein. It tastes similar, it's the same, it's nutritious, it's better, it's healthier. And we save a lot of energy, a lot of nutrition, a lot of medicine, a lot of health problem, a lot of heartbreak, just to replace that piece of meat with tofu or any other vegetarian protein. Nowadays we have plenty. It's so simple. It's so simple. Just put down that piece of bloody dripping meat, everyone. From now, from whatever living beings that meat or product might came from, we just ban them all. Even if we are not the ones doing the killing, we cause others to kill for us. The animals suffer and die just the same, just for our meal, which we can replace with any other plant-based food. And nowadays, even much more so easy. Drop meat, drop fish, drop egg, drop anything that to do with animals. Just take up vegetable protein, vegan cheese, vegan fish, vegan meat, vegan shrimp, vegan anything. Delicious and wonderful and healthy.
For more details and free downloads, please visit suprememastertv.com/b-veg.